Control theory. Control theory is an interdisciplinary branch of engineering and mathematics. Control system is a combination of control and system. System which has input and which has output. Control system, there is a controller which manipulates the input to get the desired effect on the output of the system. Then in the control system, there are two types of control system. First is closed loop control system and one is open loop control system. Now see the block diagram of closed loop control system. In closed loop control system, there is a feedback. Means that whatever control action is dependent on the output of the system. There is a command input, there is a reference transducer which converts non-electrical signal into electrical signal. Then there is an error detector which compares the desired output with the actual output. Then controller, process and control output. Means controller controls the output of the system with the help of this error detector, with the help of this feedback. Next type of control system is open loop control system. In open loop control system, there is no feedback. The controlling means control action doesn't depend on the output of the system. For example, bread toaster. There is a timer fixed. Suppose timer is of 60 seconds, then after 60 seconds, it doesn't matter whether bread is properly burned or not. So, open loop system, there is no feedback. In closed loop system, the example is automatic press. Suppose the temperature is 30 degree, desired temperature. Then switch will be on, heater will start heating and we start pressing the clock. Suppose actual temperature exceed the desired temperature, suppose it's a 40 degree, then the difference of 30 and 40 is minus 10, the switch will automatically off and heater start reducing. When it comes to less than 30 degree, then again the switch is on, so that control action is depending on the what is the output with the help of this error detector. Now talking about the human being is also an example of closed loop control system. Suppose we are walking on the road, there is some desired direction. Suppose there is some obstacle, what happens? The eyes will, with the help of eyes, brain will give signal to the legs and will change our direction. So this is the example of closed loop control system. There can be, in closed loop system, there can be negative feedback and there can be positive feedback. Now, transfer function with the help of negative feedback and positive feedback. So how to derive it? In negative feedback, ES equals to RS minus BS and BS equals to HS into CS and CS equals to ES into GS. So with this, we will derive the transfer function, that is GS upon 1 plus GS HS. Suppose we are taking the positive feedback, then sign will be of plus sign. If sign is of plus sign, then whole the process is same, only the difference of sign will be there in the final transfer function. That is CS by RS will be GS upon 1 minus GS HS. So there can be multiple input and multiple output. So we can derive the transfer function for this also. Now coming to the advantage and disadvantage of closed loop system. In closed loop system, high accuracy, high bandwidth, it reduces nonlinearity, and the main thing is it senses the change in output and correct this same. But it is complicated, costly, and sometimes it can be unstable. Come to the open loop system. Open loop system are simple in construction, cheaper, easy to maintain, but it can be inaccurate, unreliable, and main thing is timely calibration is required. Thank you.